I got this wonderful box from FedEx today and opened it up. I think my kids thought I was a little crazy because I was so happy about it. So I really think that if someone was starting, like, this is going to be something that I suggest to people when they message, how the heck do you make Soleil water? What is it? All the things. So I got like the sweetest handwritten note. So sweet. I love handwritten notes. So then I love that they give you like visuals and a walkthrough of how to use it, because this can also be a little, like, there's a lot of different information out there of how to make Soleil water. And like, this is, goodness, this just makes it really easy. So how to make Soleil in 4 steps, and everything is in the box that you need. I love it. And then on the other side, it talks about how to start using it, like the rhythm of having to use it or getting to use it, whatever. Okay, so I got this super cute wooden spoon. It's the small things. One of the things with Soleil water is you don't ever want to use any kind of metal with, so it's very important to have a wooden spoon. So wooden spoon came, and then this precious, my daughter already ripped it open. I said, no, I have to like walk through it. So this precious little jar. Though we are in Kauai, it is not always quiet and serene. All right, so then, guys, this is amazing. Like, I just love it. It gets me so excited. One, it's super cute and I will put it on my counter. 2, I will say my old Soleil jar that I had before we moved had a cork top and I loved it. And then when we moved, I ended up not bringing it with, ordering a new one with a wood top. And I've had a lot of issues with the wood top molding while over here. And so I'm excited. And so I've actually been keeping it like in the fridge, and it's just not been fun. So I'm really excited to have a cork lid again. I'm wondering if it'll help it breathe. So you literally, it comes with all of the rocks that you need, and actually more than you need. You could probably take out like half of these, but you don't have to. Again, so easy. You fill it up with filtered water. Berkey water would be my most recommended, but filtered water, you put the top on and you let it sit for 24 hours. Once it is sat for 24 hours and you see, let me show you what the bottom will look like. Okay, so this is the jar that I bought from Amazon, and this would probably be a great jar any place else than a humid climate. But I mean, it's great because, like, yeah, you got the spoon here, but this is what, I'm like, I don't want to spill, but this is what you want to see at the bottom. This means that every ounce, molecule, I don't know, of water has been absorbed with the salt. And the water in here cannot absorb any more of the salt. So then it starts getting the salt sediment at the bottom. This is good. This is what you want to see. When you start not seeing this at the bottom, you need to add more rocks in. But as you can tell, I have a number of rocks in here. It's kind of foggy. When your water gets low, you literally just fill it back up. You wait 24 hours and then you're good to go again. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I am really, really excited to get this jar going, putting it back on my counter, because let me tell you, and I say this to people in my Young Living tribe all the time, like, if you don't see things, so like see the oils, if you don't see them, you're going to forget to use them, at least for me. And so I have to have things front and center, like, oh, I need to use this. And so I haven't been using my Soleil water as much because it's been in the fridge.